5 ways to make people like you more. Hi, dear viewers. Do you find it hard to socialize? Want to learn how to be more likable? You're in the right place. Research in the field of social psychology has helped widen our understanding of relationships and how people will act in social groups and situations. Knowing this, you can learn ways to boost your likability when around people. So if you want to expand your social circle, here are 7 ways to make people like you more. Before we share the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss secret health tips. Number 1, talk nicely about others. Talk nicely about other people. Have you ever met a person who just couldn't stop gossiping about others? Did they come off likable and trustworthy? Most probably not. Spontaneous trait inference is a judgment you automatically make about people's personalities based on their behavior. So, when you hear someone describe others in a negative way, you may associate them with those negative traits. On the other hand, if they talk about others in a positive way, you'll probably like that person more. So if you want someone to like you, keep away from gossip. Look for qualities and positive traits in everyone. And if you talk about someone behind their back, give them nothing but compliments. Number 2, be aware of your body language. Be aware of your body language. Do you shake your leg or tap your fingers on the table when you're anxious? Even if your voice stays quiet, people can tell a lot about you from your face and body language. For example, looking someone in the eyes can let them know that they have your full attention. However, staring at them for too long can become threatening. So remember to glance away every now and then. You can also nod too when someone is talking to let them know that you're actively listening to them. Similarly, try not to keep your arms and legs crossed, as it may send a message that you're being defensive, self-protective, or closed off. Number 3, be aware of their body language. Be aware of their body language too. While it's good to be aware of your own body language, it's good to be conscious of theirs as well. Researchers from New York University published a paper describing a phenomenon called the chameleon effect, which is to mimic other people's posture, mannerisms, facial expressions, and other behaviors. By matching your body language to theirs, it will increase the likelihood of them liking you more. And this goes the other way as well. If you notice that a person is mirroring your movements, then it may mean that they like you already. Of course, be careful not to overdo it, as it may end up looking creepy if you end up just copying everything they do. Number 4, try not to judge anyone. Try not to judge anyone. Ever know someone who just couldn't help themselves when it came to judging other people and their values and opinions? When you are in the company of someone who is judgy, you may feel like you can't share any opinion or be yourself around them, since you don't want to start a heated discussion. For this reason, you should try being non-judgmental as much as you can. Try to recognize that every opinion matters, and that every choice people make is driven by something behind the curtain, something that is important to them. It may be hard if you are passionate about a certain topic, but if you can create an image of yourself that presents you as a non-judgmental person, others will feel safe and respected around you, which of course will mean that they'll like you more. Number 5, ask them questions. Ask them questions about their lives. In a study from Harvard University, researchers found that talking about yourself makes your brain release the same chemicals as it is releasing when you do something pleasurable, like eating a delicious meal, having sex, or receiving money. As a matter of fact, in the same research, when they had a choice of answering questions about themselves or receiving money, participants chose to talk about themselves. The results send a clear message. Let people talk about themselves. You can ask questions about their career, school, favorite band, family, or anything that you think might be important to them. By spurring on conversations about them, they may come to associate the happiness they experience during those conversations with you. Drop a comment below about what changes you're planning to make or any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.